Back viewers. Now, Congress veteran Digvijay Singh has had some interesting advice for youth party workers. While addressing a sit-in protest organized by the Youth Congress against the alleged nursing college scam and NEET paper leak in Jabalpur, Digvijay Singh said youth Congress workers should learn from the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh or RSS. He says, and I quote, "Learn from the RSS, though we are their staunch opponents. They play mind games, they will never protest, never stage demonstrations, never get beaten up, and will never go to jail, but rather they will send us to jail." Listen in.
आरएसएस पर से सीखो, हम उसके घोर विरोधी हैं, लेकिन वो माइंड गेम खेलते हैं, दिमाग। वो न कभी आंदोलन करेंगे, न प्रदर्शन करेंगे, न कभी डंडे खाएंगे, न कभी जेल जाएंगे, लेकिन हम लोग को जेल जरूर भिजवाएंगे। इसलिए आज आपको संकल्प लेना चाहिए। पहली बात तो यहाँ पे युवक कांग्रेस को नीचे तक संगठन ले जाने की आवश्यकता है।
Govind joins us now. Govind, a backhanded compliment from Digvijay Singh for his old enemy, the RSS. Tell us more about it. What's he talking about? What is the implication?
Yeah, absolutely. You know that Digvijay Singh is supposed to be the biggest criticizer of RSS, and he is saying that Congress party needs to learn from RSS because they have the policy parcha, charcha, then kharcha. So this is what Digvijay Singh is giving advice to the Congress workers addressing a meeting in Jabalpur yesterday, in fact, and he is saying that Congress party needs to learn from RSS, who is having a kind of discipline and a kind of policy which is always effective. You know that recently Digvijay Singh fought the election of Lok Sabha, where he definitely realized himself that he lost the election, and one of the reasons was also the management of RSS in his constituency of Rajgarh, where he was contesting election on the symbol of Congress party. So that is absolutely what we can understand. The senior leader like Digvijay Singh saying that Congress party needs to learn the discipline and the policy making from RSS, and so that is the big point, in fact.
In fact, Govind, stay with us. We have a breaking BJP reaction coming in. Shehzad Poonawalla has spoken about this grudging admiration that Digvijay has expressed for the RSS. Let's listen into what he's had to say.
जो दिग्विजय सिंह एक समय पर आरएसएस को 26/11 की साजिश के लिए दोषी पाते थे और पाकिस्तानी जिहाद को क्लीन चिट दे रहे थे, जो दिग्विजय सिंह ने आरएसएस टेरर, संघ टेरर गढ़ते गढ़ते हिंदू टेरर तक एक फेक नैरेटिव, एक फेक थ्योरी पैदा की, आज दिग्विजय सिंह जी को आरएसएस के संगठन में खूबियां नजर आ रही है, तो चलिए अच्छी बात है, देर आए दुरुस्त आए। ये तो प्रणब मुखर्जी से लेकर बाकी कांग्रेस के भी और देश के बड़े बड़े नेताओं को भी पहले से ज्ञान था कि आरएसएस राष्ट्रहित में काम करती है, आरएसएस राष्ट्र सेवा के लिए काम करती है। परंतु सवाल ये बनता है कि क्या दिग्विजय सिंह जी को जो नया नया ज्ञान प्राप्त हुआ है वो राहुल गांधी को देंगे? क्योंकि आज भी राहुल गांधी जिस प्रकार से कभी संघ को, कभी आरएसएस को, और आरएसएस और संघ को टारगेट करते करते हिंदू को टारगेट करते हैं, हिंदू को हिंसक कहना, हिंदू टेरर कह देना, सैफरन टेरर कह देना, इस प्रकार की हरकतें करते हैं, तो दिग्विजय सिंह जी, क्योंकि वो राहुल गांधी के गुरु है, मेंटोर है जयराम रमेश के अलावा, वो राहुल गांधी को भी ये नसीहत और ज्ञान दे।
Absolutely. So, no love loss between both sides. There are a lot of sharp political sarcasm at play. We'll get you more on that war of words also as the day goes on. For the moment, we're slipping into a short break. Stay with us.